Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to create a duplicate file in Windows 11. Okay, and you can see here, this is my video folder, and currently one video is recording, so that video is here. It is not completed, so you cannot get those actions here, and you can see here, this is my file. I want to create this file as a duplicate file. So it is very easy. You can simply create anything in your computer. So how to do that is very simple. Just click on that file, then press and hold the control key, then just click and drag it. Okay, just hold press your control key, then click and drag it, then it will be like this. Copy to videos. Okay, whenever to show to copy to videos, just release your hand from mouse clicking and control button. First you release mouse click, then release control button, then you will get this copy. You can see here I'm successfully created a copy of this file, that means duplicate. So in this way you can create anything duplicate, like folders and files, and files, images, videos, softwares, applications, anything. You can simply just click and drag, click and control control uh, press and hold control button, then just click and drag, then you can simply create a duplicate file. If you are not holding control button, you will get these actions, but actually if you are holding then drag, you can see here, holding then drag, it will be like this, copy to videos. If you release control button, and it will be normal, and there is no creating of any duplicate file. So in this way you can easily create um, a duplicate file, and it is very useful whenever you are editing with paint. You can always keep a copy and try editing with that file. Otherwise you can simply, some files are um, sometimes we cannot restore some editing, so it is better to create a duplicate file and edit that file. So it is very easy. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.